Hi ladies, welcome back to another video. Here I did an inspired Coco movie nails. Here I will be taking off my last set that I had. I never got to record the video when I did this set. It did have the jewels and stuff and diamonds, but I decided to take them off earlier because I'm not really into diamonds on my nails, so I just had it for like 2 days and I took them off. But yes, now here I'm using my mix that I made. I haven't named this mix yet, so if you ladies have any good ideas on what I should name it, let me know down below. I'm adding a clear thin layer of acrylic on my ring finger, so that way when I do apply for the glitter, it won't end up sticking to my actual nail once I decide to take them off. And remember, do not put so much because you are going to be capping it with a clear acrylic. I can't talk today. I'm getting sick. My nose is stuffed. So for the rest of the nails, I am adding this light orange color I did. I also don't have a name for this one. Every color you see me use on my sets, these are brand new colors that I've been making while I'm recording. Well, while I'm doing my nails. I didn't get to record. I think I'm gonna start recording every time I make a new color or a mix. If you guys would like to see those, let me know if I could start recording them. But yes, so I haven't named this one either. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. But this color, I will be putting it halfway down my nail because I'm gonna be doing the ombre effect. And I don't add that much also because I will be capping it with clear acrylic. Now this color pink is my favorite color pink. It's weird, when I made this color pink, I had it green and I ended up liking it. I don't know if it's just me, but this is my color pink rose. I love using this color pink. I'm trying to put it as close as I can to the cuticle area. But remember, don't touch the cuticle area because you will get lifting if you do. And I'm pretty sure y'all don't want that. So yes, here I'm just adding them all to the rest of the nails that don't have the glitter. I'm adding it and just swooping it down. Now I'm adding the clear acrylic. I'm also putting the clear acrylic starting where the ombre begins and swiping it all the way down to the tip. I don't put it on my cuticles because I already have the color pink there, and I think that's enough already. And I only add it to the part from the ombre and down because once I file off, I do not want the ombre coming off. And also don't forget to encapsulate the glitter nails, because if you just file it on without the clear acrylic, you're just gonna take off the entire design. So don't forget. I filed and buffed my nails off camera because that takes forever. And here I'm just putting my all-time favorite top gel coat. I got this gel coat from my haul that I did a while back. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Everything is everything is down below. And also I'm gonna be using the cuticle oil from them as well, from the place I went to. The top coat and the oil is from Religious Nails here in Houston. If you do live in Houston, go check them out. And the cuticle oil I'm using is lavender. The smell lavender. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or anything, please comment down below. For any other videos you would like to see, please let me know. I would be happy to do other videos. And also check out my Instagram for you to see my work. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.